Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Fiat Doblo long wheelbase maxi vans. Stock reference number 7401. This shape runs from the 12th month 2014 and runs through to the 12th month 2020. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual front wheel drive transmission. 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. With the left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has no damage, left rear door has a couple of large dents, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, bumper cover has a few stone chips and scuffs, tailgate, left hand tailgate has no damage, right rear tailgate has a few dents, Heyman and Reese tow bar with all bolts and brackets, right tail light, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has a couple large dents, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.